Danby Portable Air Conditioners work by extracting moisture from the air in your room. Understanding why and when to drain this collected water is essential for proper maintenance. As your air conditioner cools the air, it extracts moisture and collects it in an internal water tank. This is a normal part of the cooling process. Regular draining is crucial for four main reasons. First, it prevents water buildup that could cause overflow. Second, it maintains your unit's cooling efficiency. Third, it helps avoid potential water damage to your home. And fourth, it prevents harmful mold and mildew growth. When to drain depends on several factors. Check your unit's water level indicator or auto shutoff feature. The frequency depends on humidity levels, temperature, and how often you use the air conditioner. As a general rule, drain your unit every 3 months. However, in high humidity environments, you should consider setting up continuous drainage to eliminate the need for manual draining. Understanding these basics will help you maintain your Danby portable air conditioner properly and ensure it operates efficiently for years to come. First, ensure safety by turning off your air conditioner and unplugging it from the wall outlet. Never attempt to drain the unit while it's running or connected to power. Next, locate the drain port on your unit. This is typically found at the back or bottom of the air conditioner and is covered by a removable cap or plug. You have two drainage options. Manual draining uses a bucket or pan to catch water. Continuous draining uses a hose connected to the port for automatic drainage. For manual draining, place a shallow pan or bucket directly under the drain port. Remove the drain plug carefully and allow all water to drain completely into your container. For continuous draining, connect a drain hose to the port and direct it to a floor drain or outside. This setup eliminates the need for manual emptying and is ideal for high humidity environments. After draining, clean the area around the drain port with a damp cloth and replace the plugs securely. Regular maintenance includes cleaning air filters every 2 weeks and checking for obstructions to maintain optimal performance.